What's going on, everybody? Today is episode 7 out of 100. Today is July 14th, 2021. Um, it's about, what is it, 10:39 right now Eastern time. Yeah, let's kick off the episode. Let's go check the news. Shoop. Yahoo Finance, so SPY's just up 0.25%. Same with the Dow, Nasdaq, all just barely slightly positive. The banks reported earnings today. La la la. Here's the biggest gainers. Nothing really popping off today. Here's the biggest losers. AMC going down to 35 bucks a share. Newegg down to 30. Most active: Apple, AMC, Bank of America, American Airlines, and Nokia. So there's the Yahoo News. Now we're going to check Wall Street Journal, another good source for news. Bank of America reported great profits, but the stock's down. China, the world's largest carbon market, great. Lumber prices are down. Housing prices stay up. Powell testimony. Yeah, but yeah, there's the news. Nothing too exciting. Seems to be kind of a flat day. Let's go back to Mr. Etrade. Let's go check our account. So we have two Palantir calls. Palantir is getting absolutely hammered right now. They're down 45 bucks on both of these. Check the chart. This one is at 513. I think we bought it at like 550. So yep, we're down about 45 bucks on that. I said my stop loss on this first Palantir was $2. I think I'm gonna lower this to 175. I don't know. It's a call option for January 2022. I don't really want to get stopped out on this just yet. This one down here is at 4. We'll leave this one at 4. A little more money at risk with this 550 bucks. Both of these calls, Heartland and Martin, these companies announce earnings tomorrow, I believe, after the market opens. So those we will have an answer on tomorrow if we make or lose money. Today's Wednesday. Let's go see if we could possibly find a trade here. I wish I had some followers so I could know what to trade. Oh, here's Etsy. Let's check options on Etsy. Let's go back to the chart. Here's the last month. So it was trading about 165. 200 moving averages right here. Was at 205 not too long ago. Let's see if we can get like an option for like September, August 27th. That looks good. There you go. August 21st has a little more volume and open interest. You always want to trade the volume if you got an option to. But man, these options are expensive. 1,100 bucks for an out of the money. Honestly, so you go 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're looking at 800 bucks. 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're at 770. Yeah, the puts might be a little more attractive on Etsy. Man, I wish it wasn't so expensive. Check the leaps. Leaps are looking at 4,500 bucks for a leap, which is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Oh, let's not go to Etsy. See if we can find something else. So Bank of America dropped big. GME's down. Coin, Facebook's, everything's kind of down today or flat. Twitter's up 3%. Holy smokes. Twitter the last 5 days here, look at this. You're at $66. Got all the way up to 70. Kind of went down to 69 yesterday. Now you're back up to 71. Let's go check Twitter on Yahoo Finance real quick. I'm pretty sure their earnings are coming up this week. Earnings date July 22nd, so next week. And you're kind of starting to see a little 5-day bump here. Really a 1-month bump. The all-time high is 80 bucks. It's at 71. You have earnings coming up. 1-year target's $61. Barely beat the last one. Barely beat and missed. I don't know. I don't think Twitter. Look at their revenues from 2018, 3 billion, 3.4, 3.72. Not really a lot of growth here. It's a hold rating. Maybe let's go look at the puts. Seems kind of risky to me, but so the earnings was July 22nd. Oh yeah, these are gonna be money. You have July 23rd, so right after the earnings. See, this is up 40% today on the options here. Um, Let's just go ahead and buy this 72. Twitter's at 72 right now. Check the chart on this Twitter put. So looking at 381 just last week this was up at 7 bucks. They have earnings, so I don't think they're gonna really show out in their earnings. We don't know for sure, but that's just my guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy this. Which one's got more volume here? Both don't have a lot of volume. That is unfortunate. Let's check. So earnings is the 22nd. We really need the 23rd. I don't know why they have so much more volume on the 21st. Let's buy the 23rd. Let's go ahead and trade this. We want to buy one of these. Let's do it for 380. Sure, my man. You know, let's just throw in a market. Twitter put bought and open and filled. Got it at 385, so they charged us for that one, but where's my stock sheet? So we got a Twitter July at 72 put, something like that. Double check. $72 put. We got it for 385. Let's do stop loss at 250. Let's do 275. Stop loss at 275. $100 risk on the table. Coming up. Hip, hoop, hoop. Earnings play, and this is going to be on 7/22, and ours expires July 23rd. Earnings have been flat recently. Twitter is a good stock for earnings because it does oftentimes surprise. It either goes really high or really low. So definitely a gamble. I'm going to go set my stop loss so you guys can see this if it shows up. Wow, look how much money we made. Just kidding. We haven't made any money. Dude, where's this Twitter? Oh, here you go. Well, it's not showing up. Freaking paper trading, man, is brutal. Anyways, I'll set this stop loss, in a little bit. It's probably not going to move that much. But we should go ahead and add that to our, we'll do by the 72. Let's add this to our stocks to buy this week. That way we can kind of keep track. We can keep track of the options. So it's at 375 right now. But yeah, that is. Oh, sorry, it's a little blurry. Got a cheap webcam here. Not cheap, but manual focus. Anyways, but yeah, that's today's episode 7 wrapped up in the books. Looks like we locked down a Twitter put option for earnings next week. We're holding on to a couple other earnings plays in transportation. Those are call options for this Thursday, and then got a couple Palantir calls I'm holding on to for the long term. Appreciate you guys watching.